Hi, this is Jeff from the Ozark Mountains. That's in Missouri in the USA. Well, I'm sitting on the floor again beside a box, so that must mean it's an unboxing video. And you know, I don't do too many of these. Actually, I think this is just my second in almost 3 years, but this is kind of special. A few weeks ago, a longtime channel supporter contacted me and asked me to work on a computer for him, which of course I agreed to do. And in return, he offered to send me something, and I said, well, you don't have to do that, but he was nice enough to do so. And as kind of a special treat, he packed this box here according to a family tradition of his. He had a family member who during the year would take random things and some gifts that were picked up during the year and throw them all in a bag. And so for Christmas, you kind of got this grab bag, and it was a lot of fun to look through, and you would find some silly things and some completely random things and some gifts as well. And I thought, well, that's really neat. That's a neat family tradition, and that was really nice that he would think to share that with me. And I thought, well, the thing about family traditions that make them nice is that you share them with your family. And I thought, well, maybe we could share this unboxing with our little retro community family here. And we'll all unbox it together and see what kind of silly things are in there and that type of thing. So what do you say we jump right in? Here we go. We got my handy dandy utility knife, and you might notice in my videos I tend to put my thumb on the blade like that. That is a tip I learned while stocking shelves, so you don't cut too far through the box and damage the merchandise inside. There we go. Oh, lots of nice packing. That's good. Now, I do know the one item that's in here, but everything else is a complete mystery. He said the family member that would do this would put random things in there. You might get a hotel shower cap and some jewelry. You just never know. Oh, let's see what this is to start with. Got a bag here with a golf cap. Okay, I will try this on. Let me get the camera around here so you can see me. What do you think? Pretty stylish? Okay, I will keep the cap on for the remainder of this video. And some type of sweater. Take out some more paper here. And we've got a little cardboard box which has a Sony ABCD UDF drive letter access software for Microsoft Windows 95 and 98. Sony bonus accessory kit. CD stomper. Oh, it's some type of CD caddy. Very interesting. And a CD to put on it. I've never seen one of these before. And here's something else. Oh, that is a little, oh, there's several things in that bag. Let's see what's in there. There is a Polaroid A520 5 megapixel digital camera. And a Logitech Surfman. Not sure what that is. It's got a little DIN connector on there. And a switch that looks like it has mouse symbols on it. So I guess we'll have to look this up and cut it in here as to what it does. Maybe some type of wireless mouse interface for PS2. Huh, I bet that could be. And a headphone microphone, old school style. Ah, this goes with that Surfman. It's a remote control mouse type of deal with the buttons. Very interesting. Oh, this looks like a big pile of memory in a mouse. You know, it's funny with mice. I've kept several over the years, and they always tend to come in useful. That's a little Logitech wireless mouse. That's a nice size. That'll be like a nice travel mouse. And some memory. This looks like PC2 5300 DDR2. That'll come in handy for a vintage build. Oh, random EEPROMs. You know those will always come in handy. This is part of the random. It is a little booklet that came as part of a multifunction PC fax card. Radio Shack soldering iron tip. A little calculator. You can never have too many calculators around. Oh, another little credit card calculator. And it works. 6 plus 6 equals. That's pretty neat. Look how thin that is. And what is this? It says needs battery. Features calendar, timer, clock. Hildebrand Industries. Oh, it's some type of little organizer. Oh, it's like a, see, it's got all the city names on here and stuff. I bet that is like a world clock, calendar, alarm, that type of thing. It's like a little travel clock thing. World's worst digital camera. A Vivitar 610. I once bought a little digital camera thing when my daughter was young, and she enjoyed the heck out of it, but yeah, it wasn't super good. It's fairly lightweight. It takes a full-size SD card, and you can flip the screen out like this. So I guess you can take selfies, and it's got buttons on the back, so I'll have to pop an SD card in that and try it. I'm not sure what this, oh, that's just a, it looks like it slides, but it's just a push button. Okay. Bag of random cords. Oh, and some shades. Okay. Obligatory shot with the hat and shades on. What do you think? Okay, gotta take the shades off so I can see. Oh, this is a really nice coiled 1/4 inch stereo phone cable. Probably a couple meters long all stretched out. That's nice and heavy duty. And what do we have here? Light Snake luminescent cord technology. Sony demo software, data flash. I'm not exactly sure. It says record your instrument directly to your computer. Oh, it is some sort of interface to plug into an electric instrument like a guitar or whatever, and plug that right into your computer via USB and record it. And here we have a pink box that says DIY synth kit. Make 3 different synths: dub, siren, stutter, and Atari. Got some pots on there and a speaker and a prototype board. Technology will save us. And what's this? says Gladiator 2. Something that pops open maybe? This pad is used varying thickness. Oh, it's a PDA case. Probably for like a, what do you call it? BlackBerry Age or, you know, that type of PDA. Oh, that evidently, this note was on the headphone cable. It says it needs repair. Oh, there's something that has some weight to it. In a plastic bag. I think I'm just going to cut that instead of trying to untie it. And this feels sort of keyboardish under here. And it says Tandy on it. What in the world could that be? Look at that. A Tandy WP2. It is a small computer designed for word processing. It has a cassette interface, a printer interface, serial, 6-volt input. Very neat. I think we'll be exploring what this can do. Nice, clean looking battery compartment. Ah, that's awesome. And there's some type of instructions on the inside. And this is probably the piece de resistance. Box. Let's take this bag out of here. See what's in the bag. This one I can untie easy enough. Oh, all sorts of stuff. So I'll plop it in my lap here. So we have a Hewlett-Packard charger, a power supply, and a RS-232 cable of some sort, which fits the sexy beast. This is an HP 620LX. I just love pocket and palm top type computers. Oh, a little stylus stand. There we go. That's how you get it off. That's like a little docking thing. That's where our power and interface cable plugs into the back. And how do we open it? Oh, like that. Oh, isn't that awesome? I used to have a Philips Velo, which was a Windows CE1 black and white device. And it was the most useful thing. It was more useful for computing than I think smartphones are. And we'll need to get some batteries in this and plug it in. I think this is a Windows CE perhaps 2 or 3 device. And it's color, so we'll do a episode on this. It's got a memory battery in there. And oh, this is the rechargeable battery pack, which we'll need to recharge. And I think the person that sent this said he has some software on here that he used to communicate with his TRS-80 Model 100. So that'll be interesting to play with. Oh, there's some sort of PC MCIA interface slot over here. And what's, oh, I can't get this card out that's in here. What is it? This is a a 56K PC modem card. Huh. You know, I've been playing around with an idea of how to connect old modem devices. Oh, check out that phone connector. It just pops out of there. Isn't that cool? So, very neat. I am going to enjoy learning how to use this thing. HP 620LX. What a lot of fun. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this rather unusual unboxing. Unboxing a family tradition, I guess you could say. It was rather nice of the individual that sent this in to, not only send it, but, B, include me in his family tradition. That was rather nice. I appreciate it greatly. And I hope you've enjoyed being included in this interesting family tradition too. I bet this was a lot of fun sitting around at Christmas and everybody opening up their bag of random stuff that was collected throughout the year. That would have been quite enjoyable. Well, until next time, bye.